Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be trying this mask, and this is the OK Intense Moisture Violet Flower Hand Mask. So if you want to see how this goes, then keep watching. So I saw this mask at CVS and I thought I would try it because CVS is selling more like K-beauty things. And this just looked really interesting because, as you know, my hands are very dry. So I'm going to show you close up my hands. This is what my right hand looks like. The palm isn't really too dry. It's just like the back that's really dry. And then this is my left hand. This one's not as bad. But they are they're lacking intense moisture. So this mask seems pretty easy to use. You just wash and dry your hands, which I already did before I sat down to film this. Remove the gloves from the packaging. Tear alongside the dotted line to separate the hand masks. Place hands in each mask and rub your hands together for 30 seconds to absorb. And then remove after 10 to 15 minutes and massage the residue into the hands. So that seems pretty easy. So I don't remember how much these were. I'll leave that down below on the screen. So this is what the hand masks look like. They kind of look like the foot masks. So I did a video with the foot masks. That'll be coming soon. So you have to tear along here. All right, these are very easy to tear. And then just put these on. Doesn't really smell like anything, which is good. All right, how do we do this? All right. Ooh, this feels weird. Does not feel like, I was assuming it would feel like rubber gloves. I'm gonna massage the essence into my skin, but I'm gonna mute it because it's really loud and annoying. All right, these are all massaged into my skin. I'm just gonna leave these on now for 15 minutes. I like to try to leave it on like the longer the better. So far, I was afraid I was gonna experience like burning because my hand is so cut up. I'm not experiencing any burning, which is good. So I will be back, like I said, in 15 minutes and let you guys know how these went, this hand mask. Very interesting. So the timer just went off. I had these on for 15 minutes. So I just have to remove the gloves and massage in the residue. Interesting. There's a lot of residue. So the gloves, while I massage this in, the gloves are very hard to function in. Using your phone is really hard. Your laptop's really hard because it keeps, if you have like, if your hands don't fill this all out, whatever like the excess flappiness is, everything's so sensitive that it picks up that flappiness as like another movement. So it's really hard to do that. So if you're using these gloves, I say just throw on Netflix or the TV or whatever and watch that, because you're not really going to be able to do anything else really with these on. I didn't even try my Kindle. I didn't want to because I figured that would be a mess too. Again, because the Kindle's really, really sensitive to touch. So that was just a little annoying. The moisture, essence, oil, whatever they're referring this to, goes down to about here on my arm. So that's pretty far down. I didn't experience any burning. Like I said, my right hand is pretty cut up, so I didn't notice any burning there. There was like a little burning right here where it's all red. So I feel like, I feel like this is massaged in all the way, but I can still see it and my hands feel very greasy. Like I'm not going to be able to touch or do anything. And I have stuff to like that I want to do. So this is fun. Just, you know, still gonna massage the residue and I'll be back once I feel like it's really massaged into the skin. All right, so I massaged the residue in as best as I can. I actually really like brought it down towards my elbows because there's a lot of essence, I guess this is what this is called, in here. My hands feel pretty soft right now. I tried to like pick something up to see how that would go, and I was able to pick this up fine, no big deal. I am definitely going to update you guys on anything, any changes or anything like that. So I'll let you guys know in this video, obviously. That'll probably be the next clip. So far, they pretty much look the same. They do feel soft, but they still look the same. But I'll let you guys know, like I said, if there's any changes. So I'm about to sit down and edit my demo and like kind of first impressions on this hand mask. And I thought I would come back and give you guys like a little update of what I really thought about it, like my final thoughts. And I did not like this. I did this about almost a week ago, and my hands are just as dry as they were before I did this mask. They felt amazing the second after I did them. But right when I went to the bathroom, probably about like an hour to 2 hours after I did the mask, right after you wash your hands, all that softness goes away. And I always put on, after I wash my hands, I always put on hand cream, and even with that, my hands were like, they just went back to normal. So all the essence and whatever just went right away, and they did not last. My hands are still cracking very bad. As you can see right here on my right hand, it's like the worst, and on my knuckle. My left hand isn't so bad. I would not repurchase this mask again, but if I saw one from a different brand like Tony Moly or something at like Ulta, I would try it. I might also just try it a different way, like maybe try it at night and really let everything seep in, like before I go to bed or something. I don't know. I just did not like this. The effects didn't last. I didn't see any difference in my hands. If you've ever tried a hand mask, let me know in the comments down below if it worked for you. If it didn't work for you, I would love to know, because like I said, this OK Intense Moisture Violet Flower hand mask did not work for me, which is kind of a bummer because I really wanted it to. And that is it for this OK Intense Moisture Violet Flower hand mask review demo. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever tried a mask like this and how it went for you. I'd love to try different brands out, so let me know what brands you've tried, if you have tried a hand mask like this, because my hands would greatly appreciate it if you could tell me some other hand masks. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!